The Reds bench coach Ray Knight with me. And Ray, you know, from a defensive standpoint, it all comes down to mathematics as to whether you can defend a stolen base or not. Tell us about how it works.
Well, the greatest runners are guys that can really fly, get to second in about 3.35 from first with a good 12-foot, 15-foot lead. The average guy is about 3.5 to 3.6. That's the guy that steals base about 70%. These are 80% base stealers here, and I'll show you why. Pitcher's release time, he has to be a 1.4 or better in order to throw a guy out. If we look on our watches and the guy's 1.5 and up, we're going to steal the base on him with just about anybody. And the reason why is the best catchers get the ball to second base in 2 seconds. And then you allow maybe 0.25 for the tag and the throw, and you're looking right here at 3.65. And as you look here, the worst runner is going to get there 70% of the time. So a guy has to bleed below 1.4, a catcher has to get the ball down there by two seconds, and then the tag is going to be a quarter of a second unless it's right on the money. Obviously, if it's right on the money, you're going to throw the guy out at 3.4, and the only guy that's going to beat that is somebody like Dion or Richie Henderson.
Now, the only change that would happen to there is one time this pitcher decides to go with a slide step, and instead of being 1.4, he's 1.125 or 1.2.
Absolutely.
And that changes things up on you.
Absolutely. And if we go back to that right there really quickly, is that when a guy slide step, we're getting guys use about 1.18. But what we've also found out is the catcher seems to be slower because he drags out there and sets up, and then his throw becomes like a 2.05 to 2.10. But still, the fact is, if he gets it out there, that's going to be a maximum of 3.30, and that usually gets anybody out.
How about that?